Welcome back to a new video. Today's video is particularly exciting because I've got two things specially to tell you. The first one is I've got some tips and we're going to do a set of nails. Actually, three things. The second thing is we've got some nail sugar goodies, brand spanking new to the website today. Decals, totally tropical. Was that totally tropical? Look at the flamingos. I just love these. I just think they're super cute. And look at the the coconut drinks. Oh, I just think they're amazeballs. I love them. And then we've got also silhouette palm trees. So these are all going to be really good summer decals that you need. I love that you get big decals and little decals. So if you're doing like sets with long, if you've got clients that like long nails, you can use the bigger decals or smaller ones if you've got clients that just like nice short nails. Then we've got Popsicle, which are these gorgeous little cute lollipops. I particularly like the minty looking ones. Could you imagine doing a nice summer minty set of nails with that ice? Oh yes, it's kind of in my head now. I want to do it. Then we have got tropical leaves. I don't think you can go wrong with these. We're gonna use these as well in today's set because I like them a lot. And then the last set of decals, which are brand new to the website, are these ones that are called Beach Babe. These are flip-flops, little cocktails, sunglasses. These are just adorable. And you can get 10% off all of these using my code NATMUG10 on the Nail Sugar website. I'll leave the link and the discount code below so you can go and find them. Yeah, so these are the ones. We're going to use a flamingo. You would have known by the thumbnail. And then last but not least, I'm going to show you this tropical mylar. It's really beautiful. I really want to try this out in... I'd like the micro mylar for gel polish nails. The bigger mylar, I actually prefer to encapsulate in, like acrylic or hard gel. There are some small pieces in here though, so you could perhaps encapsulate it in gel. I'm too lazy to encapsulate big pieces of mylar, but look at them. Oh, aren't the colours lovely? Very gorgeous. It's like orangey, yellowsy, pinksies, and then you get hints of purpley, blueies in there. Really, really cute. Well, everything's cute today. Okay, third bit of information that's very exciting. We're going to be using Madam Glam, but... Okay, Rosy Nude, Riverwalk, Rodeo Drive. We're also using another one called Spring Fever later on, which is a green one. But these are going to look really nice with this set. Madam Glam are doing a 2-day shopping event where you can get 50% off again. I absolutely get really excited when they do these 50% off shopping events, because if you are not a VIP, you can't get 50% off. So the shopping events that they do are really good, because if you don't want to subscribe to be a VIP or sign up to be a VIP, you can wait for one of their shopping events, go absolutely mad and get 50% off the website. Like literally everything apart from sale or discounted outlet things on the website, you won't get 50% off those because they've probably already got 50% off anyway. So the discount code that you will need to get 50% off Madam Glam's website on the 9th and the 10th of May is NatMug50May. I'm going to leave the link and the code and all the other information. It's only valid, I think it's valid, I don't know if it's valid once per person. The very first one was, but you have to buy a minimum of 3 items as well. So, I mean, you can do that easy peasy. But all the information will be down below. I will pop a thing up on social media to remind people. And yeah. So you saw what I've done with my little flamingo. I like to cut out my decals, pop it on a stamper, wet it, peel off the backing, and then stamp it onto my nail, onto the tacky layer. I'm going to do it several times using lots of the different leaves from the tropical leaf decal set, and then eventually I ended up putting like 6 on and it looked like this, and I thought it looked really cute. I loved it. And then to finish it off, we're going to use the matte top coat. I don't know why I've done the matte top coat now. I could have done the matte top coat later on when I top coat the rest of the nails, but we'll just go with it. the little bit of the leaf was sticking off the side of the nail as well. So I did end up just taking my file, and I think I used the finer side just to gently file off that, you know, that little bit of hanging over decal. This is Spring Fever. It's really pretty. It went really nicely with the leaves. What we're going to do is Rosy Nude is one of my go-to. If I want to do a French nail, Rosy Nude is probably like the colour that I would pick to do the pink part with. I love it. It's probably one of my favouriteest colours, I think, or most used colours from Madam Glam. So we're going to do 2 nails with 2 coats of Rosy Nude. And then what we're going to do is, I'm going to take Spring Fever and, is it Rodeo? It's Rodeo. Rodeo? Do some people say Rodeo? Rodeo Drive. I don't know. We're going to put a little blob of each of those on my palette. And then, only a little blob because you don't need a lot. You could probably just dip the brush into the pot, but, or like onto, yeah, anyway, we're going to do a French. And I like to do the first part with my detailer brush just to make the free edge nice, no, the smile line nice and neat. And then when I am happy with that, I'll bring the colour down a little bit from the side walls so that I don't accidentally muck it up when I use the brush from the bottle, because it has been known that I have made a boo-boo there. But look, I filled the sides in, then I'm going to fill in the free edge just with the brush from the bottle because it's just a lot quicker. And I'm only going to do 1 coat because that's all it needed. I'm going to pop that into the lamp for a 30-second cure because that's how long Madam Glam gel polishes need to cure in an LED lamp. Then I'm going to do another one with the green, but I'm just marking out roughly where the smile line needs to go down to on the other nail. I do think that the smile line on the green nail doesn't go down quite as far as the pink one, or it just looks slightly different, and I'm not quite sure why. But it's, yeah, but try and make them as roughly the same looking as possible, otherwise it will look odd. Unless you want an odd set of nails, which is fine because each set of nails will be unique. I can hear the postman. I hope I don't have a parcel because otherwise I'm going to have to stop recording. The dog's going to bark. It's just going to be chaos. Utter chaos. There we go. Fill in those side bits. And then just, yeah, see, I was like, yeah, it's a bit different. But it doesn't really matter because they're not going to be sat right next to each other because we're going to have the Flamingo nail in between. So you're not really going to notice that they're slightly different heights or lengths or whatever. And then, yeah, that's been cured. The last nail I have done white. I couldn't be bothered to get another tip out. I honestly, this set did originally start out with 5 tips. I ended up ruining. I didn't ruin 2. I just thought that the set just didn't work. So I was like, but if you want to do 5 nails, I would do a 3rd plain nail of a 3rd plain white nail to finish the set. If anyone wants to know what I'd do on that last nail, I just didn't do it because I put all my tips away and I couldn't be able to get another one out. That's it. All it is, just pure laziness. Right, this is Nail Sugar's Diamond Dust. Again, you can get 10% off Nail Sugar using my code NATMUG10. Links and discount codes will be in the description box below. Didn't know what I was going to say then. So I'm just carefully following the smile line. I'm not going to lie, Karen sent me a little promo pic and I kind of liked the sugared free edge. And I kind of copied it from the promo pic that she sent me. I'll put the promo pic here. She used different glitters though. But yeah, that's the promo pic for all the new decals. So I'm going to pop this in the lamp for 60 seconds just to be doubly sure. I'm going to do the same thing on this green. I love this colour green. It's like I don't know, it's nice. I quite like green though. I'm a green fan, I'm not going to lie. Green is a good colour, though not everyone likes a green. Again, we're going to spring... Oh, by the way, this is no wipe top coat that I'm putting on the free edge. I don't know if I said. It's Madam Glam's no wipe top coat. There we go. And then that's going to go in the lamp to cure. Obviously, like the red one. Pink one even. Then when they come out, you're going to need to dust off the... Oh, I was going to yawn... Oh, there it was. I said I was going to yawn then, but it didn't come out, and it did. It was weird. And then, yeah, just brush off the excess glitter. You can do this with a hard brush if you want, with a harder brush. It will come off a bit easier. But, yeah, there we go. I had a little bit of a stubborn bit on that one. But that's them. I'm going to add some crystals on this one now. So we've got Preciosa crystals from Crystal Parade. And I do have a discount code for Crystal Parade as well. It's NAT5. You can get 5% off. On the left is Ruby. On the right is Caribbean Sea. They are both Preciosa round flatback crystals, non-hot fix. FYI. And I'm using the Crystal Katana, which is also available from Crystal Parade. And I'm using Nelchemy's Crystal Totalist Gem Glue. I'm going to run out of this stuff soon. And it's going to make me ever so sad. I'm going to have to buy some more. So I'm doing I don't know what you want to call it. Like a kind of little swipe down each side. Like a... I don't know. It's not supposed to be a triangle. They're supposed to slightly curve down. But they look more triangular. And then here I was like, shall I put another crystal on? And then I was like, no, I'm going to get some caviar beads. So here we have some antique gold caviar beads. I love these. The only thing that annoys me about these actual caviar beads that I've got is that in the pot you've kind of got really tiny little ones and some they're all slightly different sizes. And I like them, I don't know, I kind of like them to all be uniform, because otherwise I kind of sit there and I think, oh, is that the right size? And it's kind, yeah, it's a bit annoying when you've got a design and you kind of want the caviar beads to all be kind of uniform. And I don't know why they're all different sizes. It's very, I don't know. I don't know. But it doesn't matter. It's just me probably being a bit too fussy. Or knowing what I like. You can call it either thing. And then on the bottom here, I'm going to just put like 3 little caviar beads in a triangle. And that's going to be that nail basically done. 60 seconds in the lamp for the gem glue. And then on these 2 nails, I thought, right, on this one I'll put a ruby one and 3 caviar beads, like 1 on each side and a little bit at the bottom. Plop. If it will come off. Sometimes they're little stubborn things and they don't want to come off the end of your crystal picker up tool. There we go. And then 1 more at the bottom. And then I'm going to do exactly the same thing on the red tip, but with a Caribbean Sea crystal. There we go, look, ta-da! And there's a bit of gem glue there. It's made it shiny, but do I care? Nah, we don't care. Anyway, this is then finished. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please leave a like. If you haven't already, do consider subscribing. It's completely free. I will leave Nail Sugar's website and discount code below, and also Madam Glam's 50% off discount with all the information you need to grab yourself an absolute banging bargain. God bless, and I will see you all on next week. I'm just gonna say next week. Love you all.